So how is it going, guys, and welcome to today's video. If you missed the last episode, well, I basically made a mistake. I installed the old pan and I forgot about putting in the o-ring, so basically I have to end up removing the old pan. I have to remove the gasket, and that adhesive meant from Toyota, believe me, the quality is very sticky, let's say that way. So ask and you shall receive is the title of this video. Main reason why is the following. I ended up screwing up not just that thing but also the paint of the oil pan. When I was removing the gaskets from the oil pan, basically I used brake cleaner, and when I was using brake cleaner, apparently that was not very friendly with the fresh paint, so the paint started going off. We have to cure the paint, which basically means we have to grab this part and put it into an oven for almost 30 minutes at a 250 Fahrenheit degrees. So I was thinking, how should I do that without getting divorced? Because if I use the house oven, that's gonna be bad. So I went for a run, and this is what I was able to found. So apparently, I don't know if this is applying to every single state here in the US, but there's one specific day that is called the bulk pickup. And basically during that day, every single neighbor is allowed to throw whatever trash they want to throw out to the garbage. And there's a truck that will come in, pick up that shit, and basically take it off and destroy it. So I went for a run thinking I need something to cure the paint, and I found this thing. So today we're gonna give it a try. Okay guys, 20 minutes have already passed. We're gonna power this thing off, wait for another probably 20 minutes so it cools down, and we're done. Gonna close this thing and I'll give you an update soon. So clockwise as much as it can go, TDC, 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 put the belt and see what happens. Okay guys, so timing belt is in. What we need to do now is give 2 full rotations to see everything keeps lining, and in order to put some pressure in the tensioner, I'm gonna use this thing. I hope it's not gonna scratch anything, and we're gonna be able to rotate the engine. Okay, we gave 2 full rotations and we stopped by. Let me show you exactly. That's TDC, the dot and the line, and if we see the cams, you can see easily that we are in both at TDC. So good tension. Time to put the tensioner in, remove that thing, and close this part. Okay, on to the next thing. So we need to block one of the feeding lines for the turbos. We're gonna be running single turbo, so feed line, return line. We need to block this one. How to block this one? We're gonna use the original Toyota drain plug. Boom. Little wrench, done. So thank you very much guys for watching. This is gonna be the end of today's episode. Stay tuned for the following ones. If you are yet not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, be part of this community. I'm learning a lot, as you can see. I'm making a lot of mistakes, but you know, I think today was a pretty good success. So with that having said, thank you very much for watching. God bless you and see you soon.